Well, 97 days after the Enforcement Directorate arrested Arvind Kejriwal in the Liquorgate scam case, now he is in the custody of the CBI for the next 2 days in the very same case. But here's the twist. The CBI claims that Arvind Kejriwal has indicted his former deputy Manish Sisodia as the architect of the excise policy scam. In their argument for Kejriwal's custody yesterday, the agency asserted that the Delhi Chief Minister said Manish Sisodia wanted to privatize the liquor stores. The court maintained that it had gone through Kejriwal's statement and nowhere has he said that privatization of liquor stores was only Sisodia's idea. When Times Now confronted Arvind Kejriwal, this is what he had to say.
अरविंद मनीष वाले स्टेटमेंट कहेंगे अरविंद
मैंने क्लैरिफाई कर दिया कोर्ट में
अरविंद मनीष वाले स्टेटमेंट कहेंगे अरविंद
मैंने क्लैरिफाई कर दिया कोर्ट में
Now more breaking updates coming in. Day after Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the CBI, Sunita Kejriwal tears into the centre, hurling a dictatorship will be destroyed jibe. My colleague Amita is joining us with that attack. Amita, Sunita Kejriwal hitting out at the centre, calling it dictatorship. What are the details?
Absolutely, Pratibha, because the Tanashahi drive has been taken by several of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders. However, Sunita Kejriwal is not one of them. But being the wife of Arvind Kejriwal, she has made that statement. And let me quote from that post. She says that अभी तक हमेशा यही प्रार्थना रही कि ईश्वर सबको सद्बुद्धि दे, लेकिन अब प्रार्थना रहेगी कि तानाशाह का विनाश हो. सीधे तौर पे, if we can talk about, this is a very strong statement that she seems to be making. Seconding her is Bhagwant Mann, the Chief Minister of Punjab, himself posting a picture of Arvind Kejriwal yesterday while he was produced in court. He says कि ये तस्वीर तानाशाही के खिलाफ संघर्ष की है. अरविंद केजरीवाल झुकेगा नहीं, जितना मर्जी अत्याचार कर लो. ईडी कोर्ट से जमानत के बाद सीबीआई की गिरफ्तारी बीजेपी के इशारे पर सीबीआई का खुला दुरुपयोग है. आप जिस तरह की आप भी सियासत भूलेंगे, आपका नाम भी जालिम में लिखा जाएगा. As far as तानाशाही jibes are concerned, Pratibha, that continue to be taken on part of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders.
Okay, all right. Amita, thank you for joining us. Let's also go across to Rishabh, who is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, hours before the Supreme Court was to take up the bail plea of Arvind Kejriwal, he was arrested by the CBI. But this is a big revelation that the central agency has made that has also led to some political slugfest, with the CBI saying that Arvind Kejriwal has indicted Manish Sisodia, saying he was the architect of the entire policy.
Well, definitely, in turn of events that happened in the court, there was agitated Arvind Kejriwal when he was shown that, as per his statement, he is the one who has indicted his deputy, Manish Sisodia, calling him the main person behind the excise policy, to which Arvind Kejriwal says that, no, this is not something that I have said, to which CBI believe and says that this statement was not only taken from you, but also recorded and has been signed by you. There have been political slugfests on it. The Congress leaders like Sandeep Dixit say that a person like Arvind Kejriwal can indict anyone to save himself. BJP is also aggressive on Arvind Kejriwal, and now CBI has got a 3-day custody for the Delhi Chief Minister in an alleged excise policy scam.
All right, Rishabh, stay with us. We also have details of the remand note that had been submitted in the case. Times Now has accessed that remand note. So let's give out the details of what's mentioned there. First up, it says that the excise policy file had been moved in haste and that the Chief Minister had sought urgent approval from the ministers. And it goes on to say that it was the Chief Minister's PA who had booked the guest house for this meeting that was to take place. And the remand note also mentions that the Chief Minister had assured all support to Magunta Reddy, and it was Magunta Reddy who was asked to donate funds to the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, what is the amount that is being mentioned here? According to the remand note, 44.54 crores were given via Hawala, and all of this amount being used for the Goa elections. That's what the remand note says. Let's get you more breaking inputs coming in. There are more pages from the CBI remand note that have been accessed. The details of the CBI remand note are submitted in the court. And this also brings in several charges against Arvind Kejriwal. The biggest charge being Arvind Kejriwal was involved in the criminal conspiracy and that Kejriwal worked in connivance with the others in the case, and he was involved in manipulation of the excise policy, and the profit margin in particular had been upped without any rationale. So Rishabh, details of the remand note reveal Arvind Kejriwal's alleged role in the scam. It also mentions kickback of over 100 crores being taken from the accused in the case. Take us through the details of what's mentioned in the remand note that the central agency is using to point out what is the alleged role of the Delhi Chief Minister.
Well, what the CBI remand note suggests that as per CBI, it was Delhi Chief Minister on whose suggestion and instruction the excise policy was tweaked and was passed in haste. As per the remand note, it was Chief Minister who was in connivance with other accused in the case, and he was the one who increased the wholesalers' profit margin from 5% to 12% without any rationale. And as per a big claim by CBI, after increasing this profit margin for the wholesalers, it was Aam Aadmi Party, for which Arvind Kejriwal is national convener. Aam Aadmi Party got a kickback of 100 crore rupees, which was used by the party for election expenses in Goa. This is what CBI has claimed in the court yesterday for, for assuring a 3-day police custody, a CBI custody for Arvind Kejriwal.
Okay.
Though Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party has been refuting these claims, but CBI has got a 3-day custody for further investigating and ensuring that their claims are backed by the proof.
Okay, all right, Rishabh, for the moment, thank you for joining us with those details. We're keeping a track of the developments on that story, but clearly there's been a political fallout as well. While the Aam Aadmi Party sees Modi Sarkar's bid to keep Kejriwal in jail, the BJP says that there is no escape for the alleged kingpin of the Liquorgate scam. While legal trouble mounts for Arvind Kejriwal, is the Aam Aadmi Party of Delhi paying the price? Are the people of the national capital paying the price? Listen in to the war of words between the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP.
सीबीआई रंगे हाथों झूठ बोलते हुए कोर्ट के सामने पकड़ा गया है। सीबीआई ने आउट ऑफ द ब्लू, उनके वकील ने एक स्टेटमेंट कहा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने इस मैटर से अपना पल्ला झाड़ दिया है, सारा का सारा दोष मनीष सिसोदिया के ऊपर डाल दिया है। जब ये सीबीआई ने कहा तो तुरंत अरविंद केजरीवाल जी खुद खड़े हुए और उन्होंने साफ कोर्ट के जज के सामने कहा कि जज साहब, सीबीआई पूरी की पूरी तरह से झूठ बोल रही है, और उन्होंने साफ कहा कि मनीष सिसोदिया निर्दोष है, मैं निर्दोष हूं और पूरी की पूरी आम आदमी पार्टी निर्दोष है।
सीबीआई हो या ईडी हो, इतने पर्याप्त सबूत हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कई वर्षों तक बाहर आने वाले नहीं हैं।
Going by the standards, so-called lofty standards that he wanted to set for all other political agencies, I don't think he's in any position right now to A, not resign if he's put behind bars, and secondly, object to investigations happening.
All right.